Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. We are back and better than ever. And we were talking about circle problems. We got one more relationship to talk about. We're going to get right to it. I'm excited. I know you are as well. All right. We'll get back to that towards the end. Now, what is this relationship? This relationship is that if I have a tangent line drawn to a circle, and then the radius is drawn to that point of tangency, then the tangent line and the radius form a right angle. So then we get a nice right triangle there. Okay, now what is a tangent? A tangent is a line or a line segment that touches a curve or a circle in a particular place. It doesn't cut it, it just touches it perfectly in one place. So let me demonstrate that for you. All right, so I'm going to draw a circle. We'll do that and that. And we're done with that circle. And then I need a tangent line. Let's see. Points and lines, I'm so silly. Tangent line, tangent to the circle. I don't know, we'll put it here. And that's good. So let's make it a little larger. Just make the line a little bit larger. And now I'm going to draw a line segment from the radius to the tangent. So let's see, points and lines, and we're going to do a segment, and we'll do it, it's just going to be a radius of the circle, and we're going to do it right there. Okay, and then our claim is that if that happens, that this forms a right angle. So let's go ahead and measure that. Measure the angle. So boom, boom, and then we'll put a point on the line, boom. And there we go. We see it's 90 degrees. No matter where we are on the circle, no matter what I do with that tangent line, even if I make the circle smaller, it's always going to be 90 degrees. Again, a radius drawn to a tangent line at the point of tangency gives me a 90-degree angle, as we have just shown you there. All right, so let's do a couple of questions here. A tangent of length 10 centimeters is drawn to a circle with radius 7. How far is the center of the circle from the end point of the tangent? All right, well, we got to draw that. So I'm going to draw a circle there. Tangent of length 10 centimeters is drawn to a circle. So now I'm going to just draw a tangent line. So, or a tangent segment. Let's just say it's right about there. Okay, you can just do a quick sketch. And then I'll make that a point right there. This is the point of tangency, and we'll make this the center of the circle. And the radius is 7, so I'm going to draw a line, or I'm going to draw a radius to the point of tangency right there. And they just told me that that was 7. Okay, and the tangent is 10. They say, how far is the center of the circle from the endpoint of the tangent? So they're looking for this distance right here. Bam, right there. And couldn't be easier. This is a right angle. So I'm looking for this. So I know that 10 squared plus 7 squared is equal to x squared. 100 plus 49 is equal to x squared. 149 equals x squared. So the square root of 149 is equal to x. There we go. Then I'll show you another example that's a little more challenging. Let's go here. Two circles have a common tangent with points of contact at A and B. So right here we'll say, and right here. Okay. The radii are 4 centimeters and 2 centimeters respectively. Find the distance between the centers, giving that AB is 7 centimeters. So this is 7, and they want to know what's the distance from here to here. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of things. The radii are 4 centimeters each. Okay, so I'm going to draw the radii in there. So let's see. Well, first of all, let's just say I'm looking for this distance right here. Let's just go ahead and call that x right away. Okay, so this is x. That's what I'm trying to solve for. And it's not 7, because from here to here is 7, but this is tilted, so we know it's not 7. Now I'm going to put in the radii of the circles. So I am told that this radius is 4. So this is 4. And then, let's see, this radius right here is 2. Okay, so that's 2. So take a look at this. I know from here to here is 7, right? I know that these are right. This is a right angle, and this is a right angle because of our property there. Radii drawn to the point of tangency is perpendicular. But look what I can do here. I can draw a line. This is, you kind of got to think about this now. From this center, parallel to AB, parallel. So this line is parallel to this, and what I've done then is formed a rectangle right here. This has to be a right, oops, let's undo that. This has to be a right angle. And if it goes straight across, and from here to here is 2, from here to here must be 2, and then from here to here must be 2. So I'm going to draw this a little bit bigger, the center of circle A there. Okay. So what I just said is this is 2, and this segment is this segment right here. It's the same length as the rectangle right there, so this must be 7, and here's my x. Brilliant, really. So I can say that 2 squared plus 7 squared is equal to x squared. 4 plus 49 is equal to x squared. 53 is equal to x squared. So x equals the square root of 53, which is the distance between the two centers of the circle. Okay, that was kind of a tough one. We can talk more about it in class. Hope you enjoyed it. Love me some geometry and circles. And let's see what's happening here. And with that, I am out! Turn your head now, baby, just spin me